Hey! In front of me is Nokia X10 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. You need to start by opening Devices Settings and clicking on Connected Devices. From here, click on Pair New Device at the top and wait for available ones. Then tap on the one that you wish to connect to. Now select Pair in this pop-up in order to continue and wait for the other smartphone to do the same. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my smartphones were successfully connected. In order to disconnect them, choose this gear icon next to the device and then click on Forget. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. In order to connect to the same one again, select Pair New Device and do exactly the same. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!